Good morning, Friday, February 21, 2025. In case you didn't know, it's Friday. Also, options expirations, which could cause some problems. Oh, I do have a sign for that too that says don't trade today or be very careful. So, hence I will. Let me see, I'm pretty close. I think I have most things. Tube. Let me just check, make sure I get some volume going. Says I'm live. How about now? Okay. I can hear myself. All chat, live chat. There we go. Good morning. Ooh, the all-new 2025 U.S. 6th generation fighter jet. It looks like a monster. I will need to watch that video. Let me save. Hold on. Let me save that. Real quick. Wow. All right, I'm going to waste a little bit of time here. Oops. Save that for later. Okay. Ooh, that baby looks smooth. All right. There we go. All right. Here we go. So there's the hour chart. Yesterday I drew this little channel. You can see we're still in it. Still holding. 22,223. Here we go. So gotta watch that. We're above that 4-hour little area that happened. It looks like the other night, 2 nights ago, 3 nights ago, whatever. Not really a big deal. You see, we're still holding this 50%. We lost it yesterday, or day before. Actually, it was yesterday. Lost it, came down, bounced back up. We got above it, and we kind of held there again. You can see that's a pretty good, you know, if you want to put in a, if you don't want to draw your channel, you can just draw a nice little guy right like that. And see if it holds. If it don't, then we're going to go down here. But I think we did what we needed to do, which was to come down here and check these guys out. Got this 4-hour gap here. See, it's been hit. This one's been hit. This one's been hit. So this was the one that needed to be hit. All right, that's about all I got. So if I look at my CPR and so forth on the 15, here's my central pivot range is right around 22,107.50. We're currently in the bear zone, which, okay, we went almost to the top, not quite. Rejected, came down to the bottom. If we drop down below, it's considered a little bearish. I would not be surprised if we did something like this. Would not surprise me one bit. You know, my analysis of the chart in the morning is actually pretty good. I've been going back and looking, and I actually have a pretty good record on what's going to happen. Anyway, just saying. So that's what I would say has a good potential. You know, there's going to be some resistance up there at 270, so 270 right up in here. So if we get up here, I think we blow up. It could be a nice little day, but you do have some worries in the Dow with who was it, that healthcare. Anyway, UNC, somebody. they're getting some action from the government. So that's going to be a problem. That could weigh on the market. So that could weigh and push everything down. So I'm just going to play it easy. Maybe there's a bunch of call options up here. I don't know. That maybe need to be brought down so they can sell it at a discount. I don't know. Who knows? But that's what I got. So I would love to see come down, hit VWAP. Even better if we came down here, top control. They could take out the London low and then take off. So either one of those, a couple scenarios I'll be watching. All right, that's what I got. I don't think we have much time. I got about 3 minutes, and I still got to just make sure I got everything in play. All right, so I'm going to put on this guy. I got the pre-2 market, so at least it'll mark that out for you, and then we'll go from there. I got to make sure my replicanto is set up correctly. Yeah. I don't know why you did that. All right. Okay. I think I'll play that. Okay. I think I'm set up, ready to go. All right, we got about 2 minutes 20, so I'm going to turn my timer off because I don't need it. I got my coffee. Wife's going to bring me in some more in a few seconds. Looks like we just dropped down below the bear zone. You see how violent that was? Okay, that's a little bearish, just saying. So while my overall pick is I'm somewhat bullish, I'm a little bearish maybe to start and see how it goes, but I'm bullish in the long term. In other words, the charts haven't told me anything to be otherwise, right? I wasn't set up. I need to be set up like this. Okay, that guy's ready. You need to be ready here. All right, I think I'm ready. All right, good luck, everybody. We're going to open up here in 1 minute. Here's my 1 minute counter right there. I'd like to make this bigger so I could see it better, so everybody could see it better too. We're about 4 seconds on delay, I think. It's not bad. Let's see our pre-2 minute at 08. Oh, getting bigger. That's not a good sign. So that's 16.24. That's actually okay. I'm still, I like it with around 22, 23. But anything bigger and then it's not so good. In other words, we get a lot of chop to begin with. So, all right. I'm set up for 15 and 20, Michael. Good morning, good morning. UNH, thank you. Yes, UNH. I said UNC. University of North Carolina is what I was thinking. I was thinking basketball. I don't know what's on my brain. But, yep, thank you. All right, here we go. We're pumping. All right, hoping to come down to VWAP. Don't know if I like that or not. Unless we can close the candle below VWAP. Okay, here we go. I'm in one trade. I'm going to take one off. See if I can make that up with a little bit. Go to about 23, 24 points. Come on, push down and get me. There we go. All right, I'll take that. I'll turn that guy off. All right, now I'm going to be looking for, I love it when I am successful. Yeah, meat's a lot better than the alternative. All right, Michael, hopefully you got that. Did that work out for you? Hopefully you say yes. All right, probably still in the trade. Not unlike me who got out, but I'm going to take my money and run. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, we came down below VWAP. Let's see on the hour chart. Probably going to get some support there at 120, I guess, in 120 area. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so looking for a little stutter step. I need to go to a 1 minute now. Okay. And let's go to right there. Oh, not yet. Okay, beautiful. All set up. Okay. So right now we're about there. Change interval, not out. I don't know what that was. Okay, we're just letting it go, see what happens. I'll go to a 2 minute chart here. We got down, 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 up, up. So a little bit of chop, a little bit of mixed. Right here, if you're betting for the market to go down, you might want to consider, something like this. I like that angle. It's a good angle based on this guy here. Okay, I need to make sure you're off. Yep. And you're off. And you're off. Okay. What happened to the... There we go. Okay. So to come down and take out the... Let's put a line there just in case they want to go down there. I don't know if they will. I think they hold it. Midnight open is at 124, so that's actually not a bad place to go. But they may bring this down. So I'm going to take, let me see. Yeah, I got one set up. Okay, I like this so far. I don't know if I was ready for that one yet. I was looking for a little stutter step, but it doesn't look like we're going to get it. So they're going to get a move up first. All right. Okay, so we're going up to VWAP. This is actually a place where I would like for the short, but I'm actually going to wait for it to come down and take that guy out. So right now in this 1 minute, we've got a few. There we go. See what happens here. Probably was a good short area right there. In fact, it's following all my programs. Oh, that was quick. Okie dokie. I still like it. See if we're going to come down to the CPR, which the CPR, if I go to a 5-minute chart, is right down here, 121, which is where I think we'll get some support, which is also where that 50% of this trend is, right down here. So everything kind of lines up. Let's just take one off to reduce some risk. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, playing out pretty well. Okay, there's that potential support area. See if they hold it or if it gets rammed on down. In which case we're looking for some support at 22,057. Okay, so there's that support area. See if it holds. Come on, baby. All right, we're going to come down. It looks like the pivot is 22,107.25. Okay, we got about 50 seconds on this 5 minutes, so I'll wait for that to close. Okay, new 5 minute. Let's see what the 15 looks like. 15's got another 5 to go. So far, we're kind of holding at this pivot, 107. There we go. Dropping down through it. I'll get short below 92 if I'm going to get short. Basically what I want to do is I want to clear the central pivot range. And prefer actually would be a candle this 5 minute to close below, and then I'll try to take a retest right around 92. That would be the ideal scenario for me. Yep, we're just kind of hanging out here. Back above the pivot, trying to get through it. I mean, if you're short, you just stay short, right? No reason to let go. I mean, I wouldn't close out unless I was above 120. Preferably 124. So we got a minute 40 on the 5 and the 15. So I'll wait for that to close. I'd like to see, if we're going to go up, I'd like to get a move above 127, it looks like. Maybe get a 1 minute close above that. Midnight open, 124. Didn't quite get it. Got 50 seconds on the 5 and the 15. The 5's putting in a hammer, potentially a hammer. We'll see if it's going to be green or red. You can see we're battling top control right here at 121.75. So I think this is probably my answer right here. Bearish, bullish. That's simple. All right, you got 14 seconds. And there you go. Little potential reversal candle here. They're trying to push it up. They're trying. Let's see if I can get in at 30. Might be good enough. See if I can take it back up to VWAP. Probably a little bit early on that trade. Yeah. Still like it. Still a little early on that trade. Here we go. Give me 30. About 30 points. Oh yeah. Let's go, baby. Come on. I don't know if we'll get up there, but it was worth a shot. PM flash. Yeah. A nice little consolidation here is what I would want to see. If I go to a 1 minute, we had to move up, and then we get a couple minutes of sideways before takeoff. Or they can just take off, one of the two. I would take either one. Okay, come on, baby. Get up there. Give me that 600. It's working. It's trying. There we go. Get that cross. Come on. Been here a long time. I'm going to go ahead and take whatever I can get here. That'll work. My bot took a long 144. But it's going to take a loss. I got my bot playing this guy. I'm going to take him off. And I'm just going to let him play. Okay, got a potential little guy like that. Okay. Come on, drop that CPR. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, don't take it from me. Let's go. Yeah. Come on, get up to this. There you go. Close that 1 minute gap right there at 14. See if we can come back down now. There's another gap above it. It could come up and get. Or at least tag, which I'm right in the way of. So I might just bring her up a little bit. See if that'll hold them down. I don't think it will. Probably going to take me out. See if they keep on bringing her down or take her back up. Came down, made a slightly lower low. Let's see what they do. I'm just looking for right around here at support, 56. I'll try to get 60. Come on. Just hold in there at the pivot. See if we can get them moved down. Yep. All right. This is 59. I'm just getting text alert after text alert. What the hell is going on? See if we get a move down below 92.75, so about 92. That's what I'm looking for. They're trying to hold it. You know, the longer we consolidate here, then the bigger the move will be to the downside if we get there. But we have not made a lower low yet. Back up, tested the pivot. See if they reject it or not. Here we go. Come on, baby. You can do it. There's some buyers in here. Yeah. Come on now. New low and they bought it up. Damn. All right, here we go. Five minutes, starting to look a little wicky to the downside, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. If this one depends on where this one closes. 15-minute. We did come out and take out the London low, right? I can get rid of that guy. So London low's down and out. They did what they needed to do. So now I wouldn't be surprised if they bring her up. 10 o'clock reversal. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know. Still leaning on the bearish side. I have to just because the charts say to. 1 minute anyway. Tick tick is one and done. Don't need to mess with them. See if we come back down again. Oh, there we go. You sucker fishes. All right, just took me out, and now they're dropping it. Gosh darn it. That's the way it goes. Hit the bull zone and popped her back up. Here you go. Nice reversal off the move down to the bullseye. Right? Nice move back up. Tried to get back up through the pivot, couldn't do it. Let's see where they leave this baby at. 15 minute, what are you looking like? You're looking like a big old wick. But you got 12 minutes to go, so you got a lot of time to fill that baby out. This could just be a big old suck bag. Right? Oh. I almost bought that. All right, just waiting. All right, get a nice 5-minute candle reversal. I like it. 15 minutes, same. Well, 15 minutes. Still got 10 minutes. So I don't know if I would jump into a long quite yet, just because of this guy. But I don't know yet. I mean, if I'm a 5-minute player, then I'm going to take the long above right here, 110 if we get up there. But we're going to close, it looks like below. Yeah, we just closed below, so that's a little bearish still. In fact, I might even take that bearishness a little bit. Let me just try one. Yep, I'm going to try it with the 94 stop or 95 stop. See if we can come back down. Come on, baby. Get me there. Let's go. Okay, I'll lock in 10 if I can. 88. Oops. Missed it. They might come back up to 85 there. Ah, come on. Here we go. Back down. Let's go. All right, I'm going to go to stop there. If they come back up, I don't want to. I'm not going to want to be in there anyway. There we go. I'll bring this guy down to the low. Lock in 10. Say 88, 78. Come on. You're already there. Let's go. Let's drop her. Let's get down to 260. So 78, 68 is what I want next. I'm going to need at least 260. There we go. And I'll lock in there, 74. 71, come on. I'll lock in a little bit more. Now we're getting close to the bull zone. It should be less frisky just because we've already been there. Come on, baby. Okay, I'm going to lock in to the top of the bull zone there. Try to give her a little bit of space. Nope. Looks like I'm going to get taken. Come on. Dang, keep going. That's all right. All right. Good trade. Good trade. So we all have things to work on, right? I mean, I know I have things to work on. One of them is over trading. So I've really been trying to reduce the amount of trades. And I'll show you why here in a second. See if we can get a... I'd like to get a move up. That's what I'd like to get. Put on a long and then just let her go. But, I mean, this is options expiration, so we may not get it. They may keep us down here. They don't want to take it too low. They're not going to let it go too high, right? Keep the all them call buyers up here, keep them down. So it may just be what it is today. All right, there's a potential long 5-minute candle. The long there at 94. I'm going to take 100 if we get up there again. Actually, I'll take it right now at 93. I love 93. But I would like it to get it above the bottom control there a little bit. All right, I'll see if I can just take it up to the top there. Actually, I'll take it to midnight open. That'll give me about 28 points or something. We're only down 35 points. UNH, Kramer was saying buy it this morning, so they may reverse it. It was an opportunity. I'm going to bring this on up. I really don't want to lose anything. This might still be a little too close, but I'll bring her down to about right there. Actually, right below bottom control. All right, took me out. I think I still like the long though. That's why I'm saying the 15 minute. That's why it really wasn't really a good trade, just because this 15 minutes. Now, once this closes and we get back up here, it'll be a good trade. You know, I could take it right here probably. I would like this 15 minute to close out first, so I'm going to wait. Yeah, so that's what I was afraid of. That guy feeling out. So, winner, loss. Ouch. All right, 14 seconds on this 15. The 5. All right. Here we go. Looks like we're going to go down here. Just kind of hanging out here, which is kind of what I thought would happen. Here you go. Come on, baby. Well, this is what... Yeah, I think I'm just going to hang out here. This is what I've been working on as far as my website and stuff goes. This is my TakeProfitTrader account, and up 2,700. There's my win rate, which is horrendous, mainly because I had a lot of MNQ trades. One day I had 91. So that's why I'm working 60 trades on this one. Hence why I'm trying to reduce them down. 1, 17 yesterday was too high. 7, 9. I could deal with 9. maybe is the max, maybe 6 as a max. I don't know. That's something I'm working on. Trying to do the one and dones and see if I can get on that trail. This is on my website that I've been working on trying to get going. This is actually in a secure server, Google server that holds the data once you get it logged in. My website doesn't have this version yet. It will. It's just not there. And then it's got this Insights button that you click over to, and there you'll see the chart performance, what it's doing, what's the best time of day that you've traded, whether or not you're a winner or loser. Your trade volume, you can see I had a pretty high trade volume, and I'm trying to get her down in it here. And then here's the win rate. So here's another, I got my bot that's running. What it's done so far in February, about 10K. And best time for it to trade, the best days for it to trade. So I got some data coming out that's starting to look good. What happens when, his win rate, when he's greater than, when the move against you, the MAE, is against you by more than 10 points, what's your chances of winning? And he only has a 35% win rate once the move goes against him, more than 10 points. So my thinking is that I can cut down the stops from 30 points, that's what he usually takes because it's based on ATR, down to like 10 points. Because, hey, he's only got a 30% win rate. I need a little bit higher. So that's what I've come to from the information that I got. And here's all the trades that he's taken. So pretty cool info. I'm hoping to have this all completed within the next week or two. And that'll be probably available to members. Be like a little member thing. But it'll be basically be like $5 a month. That'll just pay for the storage. Help pay for the storage, I should say. So, anyway, that's what I'm working on. Morning, Jason. All right, looks like we're going to head on down a little bit. Again, options expiration, right? I mean, you want to get in and get out. Or my guess is they just hold it down here. Oh, they're going to bring her down. That's why this bull zone, it's good to have on your charts, man, because it tells you, look at this, bam, bam, this stuff isn't fake. But they're going to bring her down. You can tell the 15 minutes looking pretty bearish. Maybe they try to take out yesterday's low down here. I don't know. Okay. Everything's pointing. We got the 60 minutes still pointing up. But you got the 2, 3, 5, and 15 pointed down. Here we go. Come out the bottom of that bull zone. Let's do a 5 minute. Let's see. Let's do a. Here we go. 5 and 10. All right. So this is one of the plays I always look for is you come down to the bottom. Oops. It doesn't always happen, but you come down to the bottom, you come up back up to the top, and then you drop down. That's what I would like to see. Obviously, you won't see it on the 5 minute, but we should see it on the 1 minute. So let's see what happens here. Let's see if we can watch it. Yeah, we could probably see it on the 5 minute too if we get up there high enough. So would I take this short in the hole? Yeah, I would. I prefer it to come up to the top here, but I don't always get what I want. It's like right there. Damn it. I was a little bit late there. Might have to pay the price. Yep. Come on, stay down there. Come on, 5 and 10. Oh, too late. What would that give me? 18, 12, yeah. I should have been right at the base. We'll get it back. Let's see the move up. Move up to about 39.40 would interest me too. Come on, baby. You can do it. Get on down to 93. He's fighting. They are fighting. All right, 979. Bull's last stand. Like R4 or S4, I think. Just looking for 5. Come on. Give me 5. Oh, I wasn't quick enough. Should have taken 2 or 3. Is that 13? Come on. Nope. 92, 93, that's the money number. See if we can get back up here at about 12. Huh? Oh, come on now. Filled that 5-minute gap. Oh, come on now. Time is it? Oh, that's IB too now. They might want to bring this up a little bit before they bring it down. IB's at 92. So put 5 on top of that. 97. I like that. Come on. All right, there's IB. See if they hold it. Down to bull's last stand. See if they can crush through it. If not, they might bounce it. Oh, you can't see. There you go. I'll just put my stop there. Actually, let me make sure I pick some up here. Come on, don't come back. Damn you. Yeah, it was still a good trade. They might bounce it there. Darn it. Kind of a retest of IB. Yeah. Alright, I'm done playing. That'll be enough. I'm out. Thanks everybody for showing up. Did a little bit of goodness on the tick. I'll try to get this guy back in the green. I'll wait till later. This guy's okay. We'll go from there. I got a good little streak going on my tick. So I actually didn't realize I forgot I didn't make it. I lost money on last Monday, so my streak isn't alive, but I've started a new one, a little 4-dayer. So reduce my amount of trades down, become profitable again instead of doing all that other crap. So okay, Mr. Fibs, you can go to oh, this is a test, so that's not going to work. But there's my thing. You got economic calendar. It'll come up and tell you, you know, US dollar, whatever, flash, everything else that was happening today. You know, started out on Monday. So at least when you go there, it'll show the right date and then at least give you what's happening for that day. So it's not bad. Getting there. Starting to add some stuff. Right now, this little journal doesn't do much. I mean, it does everything the other one did. So you just got to add your data, and the insights work on that. That stores the data on your computer, which I found out that you could lose that. So I went to a server-based system with Google. Google Fireside, it's a secure server, and I'm hooking all that up with the login and so at least everything will be secure and so anyway, that's what I got going. Other than that, you guys have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday. I'm trying to keep that streak going, and hopefully you guys are green. Watch out for over trading today, mainly for option expiration. At some point, I think they just take her sideways, so just be ready for it as a typical day, right? 11 o'clock is no good time to be trading. Okay, thank you, and we'll see you Monday. Let's see, where am I at?
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no.